Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be cooking chicken pasta. First you have to pre-cook the chicken breast. Then you also have to pre-cook the pasta. I chose to use penny pasta. Then you're gonna chop some onions and bell peppers and hot peppers. You're gonna add it to the hot olive oil in the pot. Then add the chicken breast. Stir together so they can saute nicely. Add the cream of choice. Yeah, I made my homemade sauce. Now you're gonna add some butter to it. Now you can also add some black pepper and seasoning of choice, maybe all-purpose or whatever you chose to add. And we're also gonna add the hot pepper because I like spice. So if you don't have to put the pepper, but I like spice, so I put a hot Scotch bonnet pepper. Now we're adding the parmesan cheese. Yep, beautiful homemade sauce. Oh, look at that. Now it's time to add the pre-cooked penny pasta. Now you're gonna stir together, combine the sauce with the pasta nicely. It's almost finished. This is a really easy recipe, very easy recipe. After 20 minutes, your chicken pasta in cream sauce is ready. Look at that. So very tasty. Look at that tasty chicken pasta and cream sauce. Looking lovely and it's tasting even better. Thanks for watching my channel, guys.